Hello everyone, I'm Hidayah from Pilatique, Pilates and Physiotherapist Studio Malaysia, a certified taught Pilates instructor as well as a physiotherapist. Before we proceed with our topic today, I would like you guys to meet someone.
Hi everyone, I'm Nabilah, a physiotherapist and a certified taught Pilates instructor from Pilatique, Pilates and Physiotherapist Studio Malaysia. It's nice to meet you guys. Now let's get back to Hidayah.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you too, Bella. Well, moving on to our topic, Bella and I will be sharing about targeted workout. This is a series of exercise which focusing on targeted body area in both beginners and intermediate level. We will be also sharing about the knowledge and the tips of workout too.
If you are new to our channel, please follow, subscribe and turn on the notification for more videos like this. If you have any query, please leave your comments down below. You can also give us a call or WhatsApp through the given number.
In this first series, we will be focusing on core workout for beginners.
Before we go further, I would like to ask on a few questions. First, what is core? Second, what is the importance of having a good core strength? Well, I guess most of you knew the answer. However, let's explore this further. There are many common misconceptions about the core. Most people probably think that the core is simply the abdominals, which also known as the six-pack. However, the core is much more than that. It is the center of the body and it is functioned to stabilize the trunk while the arms and legs move during functional movements. When we view it this way, we can see that the core is actually made up of muscles that stabilize the hips and also muscles that make up the torso from the front, the sides and the back of the body. This will include the diaphragm, transversus abdominis, rectus abdominis, internal and external obliques, the mutifidus and also the pelvic floor muscles.
Moving forward, why it is important to have a strong core? To answer this, we're gonna have a look at the functions of the core.
The core muscles are responsible for respiration, maintaining a good posture, provide stabilization, generate movement, as well as responsible for continence. With all this list given, we can see the importance of having a good core strength in providing good breathing, improve and maintain an ideal posture, providing good stability during movement, and also providing good or better pelvic floor control. With all these benefits achieved, you may find yourself enjoying a better quality of life.
Now, we are going to demonstrate a few exercises to build up the core strength. Prepare your exercise mat and join us.
The first exercise is half roll back. Starting position with sitting, knees bent, legs together or open up hip distance apart, feet flat on the mat. Pelvis maintained vertical, spine is bent over the legs, arm reaching long and parallel to the floor, and think of reaching the head long towards the fingers. Prepare with inhale, maintain the C shape over the spine, roll the pelvis away from the thigh as far as you can maintain the abs flat down. Inhale to roll the spine forward, return to your starting position. Let's keep moving and repeat to 10 repetitions. Maintain the same amount of spinal bending forward by thinking of sliding your ribcage heavy towards the pelvis all the time. You're gonna really feel the muscles on the abdominals working hard to maintain the shape of the spine. Always think of reaching your fingers very long forward like someone is pulling your hands away from your shoulder. Keep the eye gaze down to continue the line of the spine curvature from the tailbone towards your neck. This will help to prevent an unnecessary tension towards the neck and the shoulder region. Keep the feet flat down onto the mat when you keep doing the exercise and avoid the feet from being lifted off. Let's continue with one more reps here. Inhale, prepare, exhale, roll the pelvis away from the femur and inhale, use the abs to return. Beautiful. Moving on to the second set of 10. Inhale, prepare, exhale, roll the pelvis away from the thigh again. Inhale, engage your abs and return back forward. Keep going, guys. While you are constantly working on the abdominal muscles, Do pay attention towards the knee position as well. They should be kept open, hip distance apart all the time, and avoid the knees from collapsing in together, especially when you roll the spine down. Continue working on the abs. You got 5 more reps to go. And last 4. And exhale, roll the pelvis away again. Inhale, return back. Good job. Give me 3 more, guys. Keep going. You're gonna start to feel the burn already on your abs now. Good job. And last 1 to go. Inhale deeply and pull the spine over your thighs and take a break. Let's go to the last set in 3, 2, 1 and go. Roll the weight bearing to the back of the sit bone and literally to the back of your pelvis as well. Yes, keep going for 2 and return with your abdominal engagement strong, keeping your imprinted pelvis position and keep going. You got 4 and last 5 to go. Exhale. Curl the spine away from the thighs. Inhale. Use the abs to return. Beautiful. You guys are almost there. Just 3 more to go. Inhale, return. And last 2. Exhale. Curl down. Feel the burn over your abs. And going for last 1. Exhale. Reach down. Inhale. Return. And well done. The second exercise is called the ab prep. The setting for starting position of this exercise is lie down face up, pelvis and spine in neutral, knees bent with the feet flat on the mat. Legs can be together or open up hip distance apart, arms long floating by the side of the hip, palm face down and stabilizing the shoulder blades. This exercise goes with 4 breaths. Inhale to lengthen the back of the neck, creating a head knot. Exhale to maintain the length at the back of the neck and your neutral pelvis. Stabilize the scapula and think of contracting your abdominals to slide the ribcage down to the pelvis and come to your ab prep position. Inhale, maintain your ab prep position and exhale, gently roll the body down onto the mat again. Continue the movement for about 10 repetitions. Let's keep going for 2 more. Inhale, stay, exhale, relax down the body. And one last one. Beautiful. You have completed the first set. In the second set of this ab prep, we're gonna have a little bit of modifications by putting the hands behind the head. This will challenge the abdominal strength by working against more weight. At the same time, it helps to decrease the workload over the neck flexors or the front of the neck. Open up the elbows to 45 degrees angle, and the rest of the starting position remains the same. Alright, let's start the second set in 3, 2, 1. Inhale to head nod, exhale, create the ab prep position. Inhale, stay in 3-dimensional breathing, and exhale, roll the spine back down. Always keep the pelvis and spine in a neutral position. Avoid scooping the tailbone up, especially when you come to your ab prep positions. When you have the hand behind your head, it is very common to feel like pulling the head off with your hands. Avoid that. Instead, you're gonna really focus on using the strength of your core to flex the thoracic and lift up the chest away from the floor by directing the ribcage to slide down towards the pelvis. Let's go for last 2 repetitions here. And return down. Let's go for one last one. Beautiful. Inhale, stay, exhale, relax and take a break. Nice. Get ready for the last set in 3, 2, 1 and go. For 10, keep breathing, avoid holding your breath. Go for 9 and number 8 coming. Well done. Good job keeping the pelvis neutral and stable. Keep your feet together or open up hip distance. Avoid rolling the knees side to side. And give me last 3 here. Keep the length through the back of the neck. Avoid over flexing the neck. And one last one. And take a break. Well done. You did it, guys.
The next exercise is called single leg stretch. To get to your starting position, lie down face up. Inhale to stay. Exhale to imprint. And bring your legs to tabletop one at a time. Then exhale, bring your upper body off the mat, place your hands by the side of your knees. Inhale to stay,
exhale to straighten your right leg and place your right hand over the inner part of left knee and left hand over left ankle. Good. And exhale to change legs and arms. Keep going here until you've completed 10 counts. Make sure your upper body stay up throughout and do not lose your imprint connection. And last one, exhale, rest your body down. Good job. Let's go to the second side. This time, you're going to bring your upper body up. Place one hand behind your head to support your head and reduce tension over the neck. Now, exhale to straighten your legs. Very good. Now, keep sliding your ribcage towards your pelvis. Maintain the abdominals connection. Make sure you use your hand to support your head and not pulling your head up, yeah? Good. And exhale to rest down your body. Last set to go. This time, place both hands behind your head for better support and add up a little bit more challenge to your abdominals work. Ready? Body up. And exhale, reach your legs long. Make sure the pace is same throughout. Try your best not to pull your legs too close to the chest, yeah? Abs engage, few more to go. Good job, and rest down your body. Let's move on to the next exercise. Good job, guys. Let's move on to our next exercise called 100. In this exercise, we are going to start by performing 20 counts of arm movement, progress to 50 counts, and end with 100 counts. Once you are ready, let's come to our starting position. You are going to lie down face up with arms long by the side of your body with neutral spine and pelvis. Inhale to stay, exhale to imprint your pelvis and bring your legs to tabletop position. This is your starting position. From here, we are going to inhale to stay, exhale, lift your upper body up, straighten your legs diagonally and hover up your arms to hip level. This is called the 100 position. Now you're going to move your arms up and down. Ready? And go. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 10. Last 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 10. Inhale to stay. Exhale to bend your knees. Lower down your body back to starting position. Let's progress to 50 counts. Exhale, come to your 100 position. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 10. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 20. Keep going here. Try to keep your imprint stronger. Make sure you don't feel any pain over your lower back. Keep breathing. Do not hold your breath. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 50. Inhale to stay. Exhale to rest down. Lastly, let's progress to 100 counts. Once you're ready, exhale, come to 100 position and go. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 10. Keep breathing here. Try to keep your body as stable as you can. Try not to lower down your body. Keep reaching your legs diagonally. If you feel tension over the neck, use one arm to support your head, yeah? And you feel pain over the lower back, you can slightly bend your knees to reduce the load over your lower abdominals. Few more to go. You guys are doing very, very good. Keep sliding the ribcage down. And go. Last exhale. 2, 3, 4, 100. Good job, guys. Let's take a short break and continue with our last exercise. Our last exercise is called obliques. Start off by lie down face up with neutral spine and pelvis in imprint position. Keep your legs parallel and separate it to hip distance apart and hands behind your head. Inhale to stay. Exhale to lift your upper body off the mat. Inhale to stay. Exhale, rotate your body to your left and another exhale to the other side. Keep going here until you reach 10 counts. Make sure the movement comes from rotating your ribcage and not from your pelvis. Keep breathing. Do not hold your breath here. 2 more to go. Inhale to stay. Exhale, rest down your upper body and take a break. Let's repeat 10 counts for another 2 more sets. Ready? And exhale, lift your upper body up. Inhale to stay. Exhale to rotate your body. Very nice. Now keep sliding your ribcage to your pelvis to keep your upper body off the mat. Do not pull your head or jam your chin here, yeah? Widen your collarbone and keep your neck relaxed. Last 2 counts. And exhale to rest down your body. Last set to go. Ready? And exhale, body up. And go. Exhale to your left. And switch. Try your best to keep your pelvis stable. Keep engaging your abdominals muscle to keep your body stable and not bouncy. Feel the work over your abs there. No pain on the neck or lower back, yeah? And down. Good job, guys. You guys are amazing. Take a break. Great job, everyone. You have completed your workouts. Turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Till we meet again. Bye.